you some trick shots, or cool, not trick shots, just shots on that menu.
Snazzy.
Show the menu. Alright, so here we go. Oh gosh. This was not rehearsed.
Nice. Last shot. Okay. Here, now it's my turn.
Here we go.
Swoosh.
Yeah, you saw where she was all the way over there. And it's in. And it's in again. Ah!
Oh,
Alright, it's been more than 30 seconds.
you know, I did a minute.
Oh. Five seconds. Last shot.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, that's it.
Oh! We each get one last shot. Okay? I know, that was so close. Ooh. Ah, bunny ball. Please tell me that didn't hit my bunny.
Oh, the buddy was under that thing.
Good idea. Nice shot.
Oh.
All right, last shot.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Oh, dang.
Close.
Throw me the camera.
No, thank you. Try this shot, never done it before.
Oh.
Close. I'm gonna try. Oh, that's gonna be wasting no time.
Oh.
In the middle every time. I want to.
Yeah.
I'm probably not even going to make this. But I'm gonna try.
Not even close. In our next video, we'll be doing this outside.
Oh, it's snowing.
Yeah. Hold on. Alright, we'll watch that. Look at the snow out there. Oh, it's not there anymore. Still, there's snow on the ground, finally.
Yeah, I know. It's winter.
And it's
Reverse
in.
layup.
Alright, and you're out of time. That's your last shot.
Yeah.
Alright, and that's the end of our video. Okay. See ya.
Oh, cool.
See ya.